Is your Windows 11 PC acting like it woke up on the wrong side of the motherboard? Maybe apps keep crashing. Files refuse to open. Windows freezes for no reason. Or maybe you've been greeted by the famous blue screen of death, the screen that basically says, something went wrong. What went wrong? We're not telling you. Before you download some mysterious PC Repair Pro Ultra Max 9000 software, and before you start emotionally preparing for a full Windows reinstall, stop, because Windows already comes with 3 powerful repair tools built right into the operating system. No downloads, no subscriptions, no credit card required. Today I'll show you the exact 3 commands IT technicians use to repair corrupted Windows files and fix many common system problems. And the best part? They cost absolutely nothing. Which is my favorite price? Think of Windows like a giant office building. If something inside the building breaks, you need a repair crew, but before the repair crew can work, you need good blueprints, and before the blueprints matter, you need a stable foundation. That's exactly what these 3 commands do. First, we'll run DISM. DISM repairs Windows' master collection of system files. Think of it as fixing the warehouse that stores all the spare parts. Then, we'll run SFC. SFC checks your active Windows installation and replaces damaged files. Think of it as sending inspectors through every room in the building. And finally, we'll run CHKDSK. This checks the drive itself for errors, because even a beautiful building has problems if the foundation is cracking underneath it. So we're going to repair the warehouse, then repair the building, then inspect the foundation. Simple, logical, and surprisingly effective. Before we start, we need access to the proper toolbox. These commands require administrator privileges. Otherwise, Windows will look at you and basically say, "Nice try. Access denied. Here's how to open it." Right-click the Start button. Select Terminal Admin or Command Prompt Admin or PowerShell Admin. They're all fine for this job. You can also search for Terminal or CMD. Then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When User Account Control appears, click Yes. If you see the word Administrator at the top of the window, congratulations! You've unlocked the secret underground repair tunnel of Windows. Now let's start fixing things. Our first command is DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Copy it exactly as shown. Then press Enter. Now don't worry if it looks complicated. Microsoft apparently gets paid by the slash. What this command does is scan Windows Component Store. That's the location Windows uses as its source of clean repair files. If corruption exists there, every future repair attempt can fail. That's why DISM always goes first. It's fixing the repair kit itself. Think about it this way. If a mechanic tries fixing your car with broken tools, you're probably leaving with more problems than you arrived with. DISM prevents that situation. After pressing Enter, the scan begins, and this is where people make a mistake. The percentage might freeze, 20%, 40%, 62%, sometimes it looks completely stuck. It's not. DISM is simply working, very slowly. Like that one coworker who says, "I'm almost done," then disappears for 45 minutes. Just leave it alone. Don't close the window. Don't restart the PC. Don't panic. Let it finish. Depending on your system, this can take anywhere from several minutes to half an hour. When it's done, you should see the restore operation completed successfully. That's what we want. The warehouse is repaired. The spare parts are now clean. Now we can fix Windows itself. Next, type SFC/scannow, then press Enter. This is where the real inspection begins. SFC stands for System File Checker. Its job is simple. It compares active Windows files against known good copies. If it finds something damaged, it replaces it automatically. Think of SFC as the world's most obsessive building inspector. It checks everything. Walls, doors, windows, electrical wiring. Probably the office coffee machine too. If a file is missing, SFC fixes it. If a file is corrupted, SFC fixes it. If a file has been damaged by a failed update, SFC fixes it. Again, be patient. The scan may take several minutes. Eventually, you'll get one of 3 results. Number 1, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. Great news. Your system files are healthy. Number 2. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Even better, it found problems and fixed them. That's usually the result we're hoping for. Number 3. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. Don't panic. You're still in a much better position than before. Simply restart your PC and continue with the next step. And if SFC repaired files, definitely reboot before moving on. Let Windows start fresh. If problems continue, it's time to investigate the storage drive itself. Type CHKDSK/F/R, then press Enter. This command checks your drive for errors and bad sectors. Let's break it down. The C tells CHKDSK which drive to inspect. The /F tells it to fix file system errors. The /R tells it to search for bad sectors and recover readable data. In other words, this is the full medical examination. Blood test, X-ray, MRI, everything. After pressing Enter, you'll probably see a message saying, "Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts?" Type, "Why?" then press Enter. Now restart your computer. When the PC reboots, Windows will begin checking the drive before startup. And whatever you do, don't skip it. I know you'll see the countdown. I know Windows gives you the option. I know it's tempting. But don't. That's like scheduling a doctor's appointment, driving to the clinic, walking into the building, then turning around and going home. Let the scan finish. Depending on drive size and condition, it could take a while. That's completely normal. Is your Windows 11 PC acting like it woke up on the wrong side of the motherboard? Maybe apps keep crashing. Files refuse to open. Windows freezes for no reason. Or maybe you've been greeted by the famous blue screen of death, the screen that basically says, "Something went wrong." What went wrong? We're not telling you. Before you download some mysterious PC Repair Pro Ultra Max 9000 software, and before you start emotionally preparing for a full Windows reinstall, stop, because Windows already comes with 3 powerful repair tools built right into the operating system. No downloads, no subscriptions, no credit card required. Today I'll show you the exact 3 commands IT technicians use to repair corrupted Windows files and fix many common system problems. And the best part? They cost absolutely nothing. Which is my favorite price.